In this video, we will introduce you to the SAP Business Application Studio environment, basic features, and customization options. SAP Business Application Studio provides turnkey solutions based on dev spaces, which are like isolated virtual machines in the cloud containing tailored tools and pre-installed runtimes per business scenario. To create a new dev space, choose the type of dev space that best suits the application you want to develop. On the right-hand side, you can see the extensions that will be installed in your dev space. You can choose to install additional extensions. When the dev space setup is complete and the status turns to running, click on the dev space name to open it. In the Welcome page, you can find different links to frequently used operations like create a new project and clone from Git. You can clone your Git repository by clicking Clone from Git and entering your repository URL. SAP Business Application Studio provides a working environment and tools that suit developers with different skills and preferences. The terminal and command line interface allows maximum control for experienced developers. The command palette offers shortcuts and assistance to some of the terminal capabilities, and the graphical tools simplify the most common tasks. The SAP Business Application Studio layout is divided into the following areas. The activity bar, located on the left, contains icons representing the different views such as the File Explorer, Debug, Search, and more. Clicking on one of the icons will open the selected view in the sidebar, which is located next to the activity bar. In the Git pane, you will be able to see the status of your files and perform operations on these files. Click the three dots to see all the available Git actions. We recommend you connect to a Git source code repository in the cloud or on-premise. The editor area is where you edit your files. You can open a single editor or several editors at the same time for side-by-side editing. To open more than one editor, drag the editor's tab to the preferred location in the editor area. You can drag an editor edge to resize it. The status bar will show you information about the files you are working on. Below the editor area is the panel area, which displays errors and warnings as well as output or debug information. The integrated terminal enables you to perform quick command line tasks. From the terminal menu, select New Terminal to open a new terminal at the root of your workspace. You can also conveniently open a new terminal on a different location by selecting Open in Terminal from the context menu of any folder of your project. Some commands can also be executed from the command palette. Select View, find command, or press F1 to bring it up. The commands are ordered by categories. You can scroll to find a command or search for it. You can open files, execute editor and Git commands, connect to Cloud Foundry environment, create project from template, and much more. The Problems view displays a list of the problems in your project. When you double-click the icon for a problem, the editor for the associated resource automatically opens and highlights the line containing the problem. By default, the Problems view will order your problems by severity. The Outline view displays a symbol tree structure of a file that is currently active in the editor area. The contents of the Outline view are editor-specific. SAP Business Application Studio provides user settings that apply globally to any instance you open. Such settings include appearance, notification settings, debugger settings, code completion, editor settings, and more. SAP Business Application Studio supports both a dark theme and a light theme. In this video, we presented the SAP Business Application Studio environment and its basic features. Thank you for watching.